If your website feels slow, messy, or it's not bringing in leads, this is for you. I'm going to walk you through the exact website audit checklist I use with my small business clients. This is the same process I use before I touch design, branding, or anything cosmetic. Because most small businesses don't need a redesign. They need a proper audit. The full checklist is in the pinned comment below. Let me tell you about Melissa. She runs a small wellness business. Her site felt outdated. It was slow, and she wasn't getting inquiries. Another agency quoted her $8,000 for a full redesign. Before she signed, she asked me to audit her site. Here's what I found. Cheap shared hosting, 34 plugins installed, no caching, no backups running. Her homepage size was over 6 megabytes. The design wasn't the problem. The foundation was. We didn't redesign anything. We cleaned up plugins. We upgraded hosting. We set up caching. We simplified her homepage message. Her load time was cut in half. Her inquiries doubled in 60 days. No redesign needed. That's why we fixed the foundation first. Let's start with step 1. Performance. Speed comes first. If your site's slow, nothing else matters. Run it through something like GT metrics or page speed insights. Check your hosting quality. Look at homepage size. Check if caching is enabled. Review your image sizes. If your homepage is over 3 megabytes, that's a red flag. If load time is over 3 seconds, that's a red flag. Cheap hosting is often the root problem. Performance impacts conversions. It impacts SEO. It impacts trust. Fix this first. Step 2, security and backups. This is non-negotiable. If your site gets hacked and you don't have backups, that's not a tech issue. That's a business risk. Make sure SSL is installed. A security plugin is active. Automatic backups run daily, and WordPress is updated. Plugins are updated. No extra admin users. Security before aesthetics. Step 3, plugin audit. Melissa had 34 plugins. She only used 4 of them. Remove inactive plugins. Remove duplicate plugins. Check for abandoned plugins. Simplify page builder add-ons. Every plugin adds weight. Every plugin adds risk. More plugins mean more conflicts. Simpler systems are stronger long-term. Step 4, navigation and clarity. If someone lands on your site and doesn't know what you do in 5 seconds, we fix that first. Keep your menu 5 to 7 items max. Have a clear call to action above the fold. State who you help. State what you do. Tell them what to do next. Clarity converts more than design. Step 5, mobile check. Over half of your traffic is likely mobile. If it's broken there, it's broken. Test on a real phone. Are the buttons easy to tap? Is the text easy to read? You don't want to have any layout breaks. No overlapping sections. Is the mobile speed acceptable? Responsive design is mandatory. Okay, step 6, conversion check. Traffic means nothing if the form doesn't work. Submit your contact form yourself. Confirm the email is received. Test booking links. Test email opt-ins. Check confirmation pages. You'd be surprised how many sites lose leads because forms are broken. Now, here's what not to focus on. Don't obsess over fancy animations, trendy fonts, a new theme every year, minor logo tweaks. Most businesses redesign when they really just needed to optimize. Foundation before features. All right, let's recap. Speed, security, plugins, navigation, mobile, conversion. Comment Audit below if you want the checklist. If you want me to review your site, details are in the description below. And if you want practical WordPress help without the tech stress, let's fix the foundation before we build anything new. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.